Hi everyone, my name is Elisa Peirano. I work as a data analyst for Lacnic, the regional internet registry for Latin America and the Caribbean. I'm so happy to be here at my first NetUK meeting. And today I will be presenting the PeeringDB update. So let's do it. As you all know, PeeringDB is a directory for interconnection information, and it can be used as a search tool, but it's also a community project. So I wanted to show you a bit about the people that are involved in PeeringDB and volunteer to make it better. So first is the board of directors. This past May, there was an election, and Alexandra and Isabel were elected, and Livio was re-elected. The former president didn't stand for re-election, so Aaron, who was vice president, is now the president. Then the committees, if you are interested in learning more about interconnection, you are welcome to join any of the committees. This is the admin committee. It's a large group of people from different backgrounds, facilities, network operators, internet exchanges. This is the outreach committee, a bit smaller, but still very diverse and from people all around the world. Obina, if I pronounced that correctly, is a new member. And the product committee. So for the updates, as far as product transparency goes, there is a new format to the meeting minutes that help read the backlog better. And if you have any issues pending with PeeringDB, you can check the minutes and see when they will be attended. These improvements increase productivity by 15%. As far as the new user interface is going, PeeringDB is now using a phase deployment where each phase gets reviewed and feedback before going into the next phase. And users will be randomly selected to help with this, but of course they will be able to opt out if they don't want to do it. And then there's also improvements are being made to better the experience in mobile phones and with wide screens. And last but not least, I'm sure you'll know about two-factor authentication or multiple-factor authentication. It was made mandatory the 1st of July this year. Anonymous use will still be possible, but if you want to make changes, you will have to be authenticated. And that's it. This is, if you're interested to become a sponsor, you can contact PeeringDB or talk to any of the people involved. And these are the current sponsors, so a big thank you to them for supporting PeeringDB. That's it. So if you have any questions, I'm happy to answer them.
Does anybody have any questions for Elisa? There must be someone. No? I do have a question. Yeah. The mandatory 2FA, is there a way in for people to set it up if they've missed that deadline? Will it just prompt them to set it up when they next log in?
Yes, exactly, when they log in again. And if there are any PeeringDB people here and want to make further comments, they are more than welcome.
Perfect. Oh, there's a question right at the back there. No? Oh. You'll have to come to the front. There's microphone stands at the front for questions.
I really can't see anything.
That felt more like a fashion parade. Yeah. So no, just to contribute to the question. Okay. Just to contribute to the.
Sorry, can you just give your name and your?
Obina is my name.
Yeah.
Obina Dumike. Yeah. So if you miss the 2FA timeline, you can always report. This time around, you would have to request through the you have to raise a ticket, and then that will not be treated as an actual issue. But why wait till that moment when you can actually get it done right now?
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much. And I don't see any other questions.
Now it feels weird walking all the way back.
Thank you very much, Lisa.
Thank you.